Now our beef menudo is ready for us to be enjoyed, that I have shown you in the previous video how to cook. And I added my mom's secret, something sweet, and I added honey as well. I got this in Canada. My mom is Canadian as well, excuse me please, as well as some of my brothers and sisters. And also I forgot to show you, I added baby carrots. I forgot to show you in the cooking process, but I added it. And so now we are ready for us to enjoy this. Come on and eat. Happy cooking and happy dining. Oh my, I wish you're all here with me. Come on and eat. I'm inviting you all so you could smell the aroma and super delicious beef adobo with beef liver and pineapples. And you will notice the bay leaf, the fresh bay leaf. You could toss it out after you have used the aroma and the flavor of the bay leaf. And now we're going to enjoy this all together for you and me and all of us. And let's have some carrots there and chickpeas, and then we have some beef for you and me and all of us. And then I love potatoes as well for you and me and all of us. Look at that potato. And some grape tomatoes. And wow, this is super delicious. It has heavenly taste. And then we have the bell peppers, red, yellow. And wow, you're gonna love this as I do. Look at that. And now we're going to taste this all together. Our plate is ready with our jasmine aromatic rice and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Available at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, and the second one is juanitagutierrez.com, at Amazon as well. All bookstores, online stores, Ex Libris, Barnes and Nobles, everywhere. And this, my mom's cookbook, and all my 22 books you'll find worldwide as well, and in my two websites. And my mom's cookbook is available in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. That means you could upload it quickly in the computer, your computer. Now, our beef menudo is already cool a little bit. Come on and eat. Oh my goodness, steaming hot. I am going to put some in our plate right there. Come on and eat. I love the sauce as well with the chickpeas. And let's put that. And I'm going to garnish my jasmine aromatic rice. Oh my. This is super delicious. This side of heaven. Come on and eat. Now, we're going to enjoy this with alcohol removed wine, and this is Merla from California. And cheers for the happy holidays and the new year 2026 and moving forward in long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love, and light to us all. And now, before we enjoy our delightful beef menudo, my beloved parents and grandparents always tell us to bless our food. Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence. Accept this food. Make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought, forever self-sustained. And you'll find that blessing as well. You notice that's my 22nd book, I Am God, book by Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED.com. And that's my first website, and JuanitaGutierrez.com is my other website. And so now, we're going to enjoy my mom's delightful food recipes in this her gorgeous cookbook by her loving daughter Juanita Gutierrez, speaking to you over the video. Now let me stabilize my camera, and I'm going to squeeze in lemons. It's okay to have seeds there, you could always take it out. And we have some fruits, blackberry, blueberry, and to have our natural dessert. And this is your spoon, and this is your fork. And then we have our knife if we need it. Oh my goodness, come on and eat. We already enjoy, we already bless our food, and so let's have the chickpeas, guisantes, and beef, and all the sauce for you and me and all of us. Yum. Wow, you're gonna love it, as I do. And we have also the beef liver, delicious. And let's have the potatoes for you and me and all of us. Yum. And let's have the pineapple for you and me and all of us. Yum. Oh my goodness. This is super yum. Let's have some jasmine aromatic rice for you and me and all of us. Yummy. Oh my goodness. The taste of the tomato paste, the beef, the bell peppers, yellow, orange, and red, the carrots, all the spices. My goodness, an explosion of delightful food recipes of my mom. And let's have our alcohol removed red wine for you and me and all of us. Cheers. Just perfect, isn't it? Wowie, this is super yum. Enjoy beef menudo with beef liver, pineapples, and jasmine rice. And we have, this is blackberry, blueberry as well, and we have salad always, and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you over the video. Her loving daughter, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And this book, along with my 22 books, yes, 22, are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes& Noble, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. Oh my goodness. Yummy, yes. Beef Menudo. You're gonna love this aside room. Happy cooking! In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. And let's go to our steaming hot. And let's turn up the stove. Oh my, delicious. You're gonna love this aside room. Beef Menudo. Steaming with flavor. Super delicious. Gourmet. Philippines' finest cuisine of my mom's delightful food recipes. Beef Menudo. Look at that. Finest, elegant, super yum, gourmet. Beef Menudo, Filipino style. Wow, come on and eat. In the Tagalog language, napakasarap, super yum. And that is the beef liver that you could see there. And that's the potatoes. And we have the pineapples right here. And red pepper, mini peppers, baby carrots. And we have the fresh bay leaf. You could toss it out after you have taken after the food have absorbed the flavor of the bay leaf. Isn't this gorgeous? Super yum. Happy cooking. See you in the next video. Thank you to all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. Enjoy.